Want to build an inventory movement and stock insights dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our inventory data into Bricks. The file uploads instantly, and now we click Create Dashboard. Watch as Bricks' AI begins analyzing our inventory movements, stock levels, supplier data, and warehouse information. The AI is intelligently identifying patterns in our data, understanding relationships between categories, suppliers, and stock movements. It's creating multiple visualizations simultaneously, building charts that show stock in versus stock out by category, inventory value distribution, and daily closing stock trends. The system is also generating insights into movement types, identifying our top suppliers by value and analyzing stock movement across different warehouses. Additionally, it's creating critical data tables for items with negative or zero stock and batches approaching expiration. Our complete inventory movement and stock insights. Dashboard is ready, featuring 6 dynamic charts and 2 essential data tables. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now, let's explore presentation mode, perfect for executive briefings and team meetings. The dashboard transforms into a full-screen experience, highlighting key metrics and trends with crystal-clear visibility. Each visualization tells a story about our inventory performance. Exiting presentation mode, we return to the interactive dashboard where users can drill down into specific data points and explore detailed insights. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.